Hey, did you know that Camtasia 9 is really great for creating those little intro videos? Well, stick around and I'll teach you how to create one of your own. Hi, I'm Cynthia. I help people create and sell online courses. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process that I took to create a little intro video. So let's dive in. So this is the intro video I'm going to show you how I made. You start off by going into project settings and change the canvas dimensions to 720 and the color for the background to yellow. We're going to add an annotation. It's a shape and it's the rectangle that you're going to make into a line. Go over to the properties and change the color to green, the outline to green, and the opacity to 75%. And just move it down a bit. Next, you're going to add the top text. Just make the box a bit bigger. Enter in your text. Then within properties, you're going to change the font to Vulcan, and then change the color to fuchsia. I'm just adjusting the alignment and making the size a bit bigger. And I'm also going to drag the top handle down a bit. Then I'm just going to copy paste that text, drag it to the bottom of the line, change the text. I'm going to make this a bit smaller. And I want the handles to be a little snug for this one as well. Right, now I'm going to remove the drop shadow. So you select the text, and then within the track, you see the drop shadow. And so after I select that on the right, I can just click the X to remove it. Right, I'm just adjusting the time here. So I want the intro to be about 3.5 seconds long. And I'm going to have the top text enter at about 0.5 seconds, and then the bottom text is going to come in after a second. So there's a delay, and then the bottom track is the line, making that just slightly longer. So I'm going to add the sliding behavior to the line, and I'm going to slightly adjust the properties. So the in stays the same. The out, I'm going to switch the style to shrink. Then the text, both of them are going to have the pop-up behavior. And then I'm going to adjust the properties. So for the type for both, it needs to be object. So in and out, I switch the type to object. The movement for out is linear. I'm switching to the bottom text. And again, the type needs to be object.
direction top. Now for the out, it's type object, direction, or movement, sorry, linear, and direction top. So I'm just going to take a peek, see what that looks like. Perfect.
If you have any questions, be sure to put them below the video. Otherwise, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for a new video every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Bye for now.